artist, I'm Mariana Olsen, and today we're drawing a marine soldier. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a marine soldier, and I hope you like this lesson. We're doing this because Veterans Day is coming. Let's start this picture here on the center, and I'm gonna go up a little to make the face, and we're gonna do this face like a big letter U. So I'm gonna start doing my letter U, going slow and coming back up, okay? So it's white, and I wanna try to make it at the same distance on the top of the head, okay? So I'm gonna try my lines to align here. Now we're gonna do the ears with two letter C's and a little line inside, and this one is gonna be backwards and a little line inside. Now in the middle we're gonna do the nose with a backwards letter C as well, and we're gonna do the eyes. I want to do my eyes with two oval shapes that I want to fill with black. Okay, and because this is a soldier, it's a marine soldier, we're gonna do a look a little serious. You can make a smile if you want to. I want to make mine a straight line, so this is gonna make it look more serious. Now we're gonna trace a curve on top of the eyes, and it's gonna come really close to the eyes, curving down here and connected to the other line we did here. We're gonna extend our lines by doing two short lines. And I want to do another curve. It goes up. And now on top of this, I'm going to do another kind of like rectangle shape. So I want to extend my lines again, and I'm doing one more curve. Okay, now to finish the hat, it has a shape on the top. So again, do a diagonal line this time out. And I'm going to start curving here, going up and coming back down. So that's the hat. Now underneath this part that we did here is like the visor. We're gonna do 1 and 2 curves for hair. Next we're gonna do the neck, and we're gonna do 2 lines. We're gonna do 1 and 2 lines and one more in the center, and then we're gonna join these 3 lines with a curve. Now let's do the jacket that he's wearing. So from this corner I'm gonna go down, and on this side the same, down, and we're gonna connect here on the bottom. Now in the middle we're gonna do a belt he's wearing, so I'm gonna do a rectangle shape, and I want to join these corners here with his jacket. Next we're gonna do a line that follows the line that we put on the neck. We're gonna do the line, and it goes behind the rectangle shape until it go down. Now we're gonna draw some buttons here on the left side, and we're gonna do 1 and 2, and on this side usually they wear the medals they win, so we're just gonna do a rectangle shape, and at the end when we do the coloring part we're gonna do some more squares and details here. Next let's do the arms. So from this corner I want to do a curve that comes down. The same thing from this corner of the neck, a curve that goes down, and it joins with his jacket here with the body. Now before I do the hands, let's continue with the pants. We're gonna leave a little bit of a space here. We're gonna go in a little, and we're gonna come down. Now in the center, another line, and at the end again in a little and then down. Next we're gonna do the shoes, and we're gonna curve, and I want to start going down again with 3 lines. We're gonna close the bottom with a little bit of a curve, and I'm making this line double for the bottom of the shoe. To finish my soldier, I'm just gonna do the hands by doing a curve that connects with the body, and inside we're gonna do kind of like half a letter U, and it's gonna mark the thumb. I'm gonna repeat that here. So I'm gonna do my curve that connects with the body and a letter U, or half of a letter U. And there, that's it. We finished. This character is a marine soldier, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors. I tried to stay really simple. The uniform is blue, the hat has a white top, and you can actually leave the hands white also so he looks like he's wearing gloves. I added a couple colors here. You can change this as well. You can add in the background a flag. You can use your imagination to finish your picture. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!